Get ready, GORO is on the move. Today, we're diving into a powerful breakout story that's suddenly grabbing investor attention. Strong initial production, a game-changing new zone called Three Sisters, and a major analyst reaffirmation are converging. If you love turnaround winners and growth stories, this one's electric. Gold Resource Corporation is a nimble, growth-focused gold and silver producer with production centered at the Don David Gold Mine and development activity across North America and Latin America. The company blends exploration upside with steady production. It has built a reputation for disciplined operations, targeted drilling, and rapid scale-up when high-potential zones are identified. That combination gives GORO a unique profile, the upside of exploration with the credibility of production cash flow. Today, that profile is lighting up the market. There are three recent items that are fueling excitement. First, on December the 3rd, Gold Resource Corporation reported strong initial production from the Three Sisters area at the Don David Gold Mine. This isn't small news. Initial production from a new area means the company is converting exploration success directly into ounces produced. Investors love to see geology translate into real output, and Three Sisters is doing exactly that. Second, just weeks earlier, management guided that Three Sisters is expected to contribute 40–50% of production in early 2026 as the operational turnaround advances. That projection signals a meaningful and rapid scaling of production. When nearly half of a mine's output can come from a newly developed area, the levered upside for revenue and margins is clear. Third, reinforcing the market's confidence, H.C. Wainwright reaffirmed a buy rating on gold resource and maintained an upbeat price target. Analyst support matters. When a respected house publicly backs the story, it amplifies investor conviction and can accelerate buying momentum. Together, these items create a powerful narrative: a newly productive zone, clear forward guidance on its contribution, and analyst validation. The market responds to converging proof points, and GORO has several in place. Let's unpack why this momentum can persist. First, Three Sisters. The shift from exploration to initial production is the most exciting phase for a mining story. It de-risks resource potential and replaces speculation with tangible ounces. That fuels stronger revenue visibility and operational leverage. Second, operational improvements at Don David and disciplined capital allocation are driving a more efficient cost base. As production ramps from Three Sisters, economies of scale kick in and unit costs can improve, improving margins and cash flow. Third, industry-wide tailwinds favor gold and precious metals right now. Geopolitical uncertainty, inflation dynamics, and portfolio diversification trends keep investor demand strong for gold exposure. That macro backdrop helps mining stocks, especially junior and mid-tier producers that can grow quickly. Fourth, exploration upside beyond Three Sisters remains. The company's ongoing drilling success and SK 1300 technical reporting give a clearer view of long-term mine life and expansion potential. Finally, analyst coverage and renewed interest from the institutional side can supercharge liquidity and valuation re-ratings. In short, production growth, cost improvements, macro tailwinds, exploration upside, and analyst validation all align. Why are investors getting genuinely excited about GORO? Because the story now has proof. The Three Sisters initial production announcement and the company's projection that it will supply a substantial share of near-term output turn a promising exploration tale into a real growth thesis. Investors want companies that can scale production while keeping discipline. GORO's pivot toward measurable, increasing output checks that box. Think of it this way: when a junior or mid-tier producer moves from discovery to steady production, the valuation multiple often expands. That's because future cash flows become more certain, and the optionality of exploration turns into repeatable revenue. Add analyst reaffirmations and a clear path to higher production in early 2026, and you get a story that can attract both growth-focused traders and longer-term value investors. And importantly, the Three Sisters contribution, projected at 40–50%, is a near-term catalyst that can meaningfully change the company's financial profile. If the market starts to price in higher, sustained production levels, GORO could see continued upside as that reality is reflected in earnings and cash flow expectations. This is the moment to watch Gold Resource Corporation closely. Strong initial production from Three Sisters. Management guidance showing a big contribution in early 2026. A respected analyst reaffirming a buy. Those three ingredients are exactly what sparks breakouts. Whether you're trading the momentum or positioning for long-term growth, GORO is a story worth tracking. Hit subscribe for more timely mining and small cap coverage. Smash that like button if you enjoyed bullish breakout stories. If you want updates as Three Sisters ramps and new drill results come in, leave a comment below and I'll cover the next developments. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before investing.